Hey everyone, thanks for stopping in. Let's take a look at DropFunnel's new interface. I'll tell you right off the bat, I'm super excited. This is a new instance here of DropFunnels, and their interface redesign is amazing. As you can see, great graphs on the home page here. They talk about improved interface, new templates, build even faster, new tools. Really excited about this new interface that DropFunnels has launched. So just looking at the dashboard, one of the cool things I like is quick links right off the top here. So from here, you can jump to the knowledge base, you can start a new funnel, a new course, a new page on your website, a new product, and even a new blog post. So really cool with the quick links. And again, just a quick link out to your website from here will launch you to the main homepage. So again, very intuitive, very clean. You can see below here, recent activity. I was my own lead, just testing things out. So again, really cool feed of what's going on. If we look at the main dashboard here, you have obviously revenue charts right off the top here, where you can see a revenue over time, look at your net revenue versus previous month, your total sold of all the products. Again, just nice, good dashboard information at a glance when you log in. You can see your refunds, traffic, and even leads. So really cool interface to see, what's going on in your business, quick snapshot. So really loving this. This looks very clean. And for me, I love white background and black text or gray text. It just really makes it clean and easy to, really see what's going on, low distractions. So really love that. I'm going to start off with settings. So settings, again, because this is built on the WordPress kind of code base, it's very similar to that in terms of settings. So your titles, your tags, all your general settings are here in a very easy, simple format to make changes and save. You can add a custom domain. So again, this is part of my Start and Grow Academy page here. And basically here's where you can add your custom domains. Very simple process to do. Again, you have to use your DNS provider, but again, very simple process. Also in settings here, you can set the home page, whether it's your blogs. Again, very similar to what you would see in WordPress. So very cool. You can add teams, delete the site. Of course, you don't want to do that, but you can do it here. You can also import. This is one of the things I love about DropFunnels. On my main page that I created on DropFunnels, I imported all my blog posts from 2013 using this importer. Super fast, super easy to import posts, pages, all your comments from a WordPress site right into DropFunnels. Again, this is why I love it so much. The best of WordPress integrated into a platform that's designed for sales funnels and courses. It's awesome. Again, you can export all of your information, whatever you need. So going to the top, we have our funnel section. So in here's where you can build your sales funnels, your products, pop-ups. So if you've got a pop-up sign-up page, lead quizzes, which is something new that DropFunnels has launched recently. Super cool. Quizzes are amazing ways to pre-qualify and also engage your prospect, through, a fun quiz. You got your sales in here, leads, payment gateways, and even a link tracker. I love link trackers. These are great where you can create short links. So, all right, so jumping into the funnels section of DropFunnels, you can see we have two simple funnels here. Very easy to add funnels just by selecting one of these amazing templates they have. Super easy. This particular funnel, here's a simple sign up funnel. Very easy. Here's the page. Everything's very clean. You can see the new navigation at the top. If you want to edit this page, you simply click on the DropFunnels button. Turns into the editor for this particular page, where you can simply just edit all the different fields, all the content very easily. I love their editor. Super simple with all the cool modules on the side. Anyway, going back, again, products, you can see the interface is just looking really, really sleek and clean. You can see the different products here. Again, very simple, good drop downs, very accessible. Oh, I love it. It's clean. Like I said, here's pop-ups. Again, if you have a particular pop-up that you want to have show up for an email capture, I've got that here. Lead quizzes, all kinds of neat tools. The lead quizzes, I just started playing around with this in Dropfunnels, but quizzes are amazing. They're super handy for capturing leads and gathering really good information on your prospects. So just started playing around here, but the idea for quizzes is, you ask some qualifying questions for your prospects, learn more about them, and again, it's fun and interactive. Again, you can see all your sales and your leads here as well. So moving on to the courses. Again, building your courses right in Dropfunnels is really easy. I'm building the Start and Grow Academy course in Dropfunnels right now. I've played with lots of other different course creators. This one is really good and really simple to use. It's very similar to the funnels. So here you can see the beginnings of this course here, and all the different modules are right down below. Very simple to navigate, very simple to use. You can see part of my course here that is going to be launching really soon on the Dropfunnels platform. Again, I'm using this tool to rebuild out most of this course. Again, from courses, there's quizzes as well in courses, which are really handy. You can build your website on here again. So, for example, on main homepage to yourself as an authority or your company, whatever it is, you can build very simple pages and blogs as well. So moving on to blogs in a second. Here you can see where you basically can build out homepage, about us page. If you want a typical brochure website along with your funnels, you can do that all in here. Again, very similar to WordPress. You go in to make your homepage, and it's very simple. You can see the typical similar WordPress kind of edit page, but then you can jump right into the Dropfunnels editor, which is a very, WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get interface for making changes to your homepage. So again, I haven't created a homepage in here, but it really is as easy as choosing a template. Let's say I want to make an authority page. I'm going to add this template just like this. And right from there, I can edit this page and make it my own. And really, it's that simple. You can see quickly just made a homepage. There you go. All you got to do is fill in the content. It's that simple. This is what I love about Dropfunnels. So going back to the main admin page here, the main dashboard again. We're going to check out the next section, which is about the blog. So jumping into the blog, you can see, again, similar to WordPress, this is what I like. WordPress is the blogging platform out there, and you have all those features and all those benefits right here in Dropfunnels. So again, build out these posts. If you already have a WordPress post or blog, you can import all of your posts into here very easily using the import function under settings. Dropfunnels has some great SEO things as well. I just love how everything is so clean looking in here. You can see all your Google Analytics tracking. You can set up all that stuff in here. Your titles and meta tags for SEO as well as in here. So you can create some post types, all kinds of great configurations to just make you show up better on search results. Again, you should be using Google Search Console and having your sitemap set up with that. Very important to have. So again, this all configures, makes it links up. And, again, this all helps with your SEO and getting seen out there in the search results. Bunch of extra settings as well. Don't want to dive into everything, but assets is great. This is where you can find your images, audio, documents. For example, workbooks and things like that you may include as part of your course can all be stored on here. And what I hear is video hosting is coming soon as well, which is awesome. So really cool thing there. Last thing I'm going to show here is the Appearance tab. This is where you can create global design and also save components. So as you build out your pages in Dropfunnels, you can save sections as a saved artifact that you want to use around. So rows on a page, columns, or even small modules you can save as templates that then you can drag and drop onto your page as you're building. So very cool thing about, not repeating yourself and creating widgets and components that you can, save and use on multiple places. Here under global design, you can set your fonts, which one you want for yours, base colors, things like that. your headers and footers. You can pull from templates, and site identity icon, that icon you want to show up here, you can put that in here as well. So a lot of great things. There's one other tab at the bottom, account. Again, that's just your account with Dropfunnels and all that. So very excited about this new interface. Dropfunnels just keeps getting better and better. It's taking over the competition because it's just got everything from your website to your blog to your funnels and courses all in one easy to use application. This is one of my favorites, and I'm really liking it. So if you really enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to try and put out more and more content. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. And if you want your own trial of Dropfunnels, there's a link down below as well. Please check it out. It's worth a try and easy to migrate from applications like ClickFunnels or from WordPress, or both, as what I've done with mine. So check it out. I've got some other videos as well that explain how you can import, and more videos on Dropfunnels coming in the near future. Thanks again. Have a great day.